10 Best Places to Visit in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania's sophisticated cities and great outdoor attractions beckon you to explore a huge variety of activities. You can see the famous Liberty Bell in Philadelphia, walk in the footsteps of fallen Civil War heroes in Gettysburg, ride on a train, or soak up some culture at the Carnegie Museums in Pittsburgh. If you love the great outdoors, you can explore the wonderful scenery of the Pocono Mountains, hike in the Delaware Water Gap, have fun at the water parks in PA, or enjoy the beaches on the shores of Lake Erie. Here are the best Pennsylvania destinations. 1. Pocono Mountains. Pennsylvania's amazing Pocono Mountains region offers locals and visitors a vast outdoor recreational area which covers parts of 4 counties. The region includes 150 lakes and many charming historic towns and villages. This is a vacation area that everyone will enjoy. If you crave peace and relaxation, you can head to a romantic lakeside retreat to rejuvenate your mind and soul. On the other hand, visitors who are looking for adventure will find a wide selection of exciting outdoor activities to try, including whitewater rafting, jet skiing, zip lining, skydiving, and riding the thrilling Appalachian Express mountain coaster. In the winter, you can find the full array of exciting winter sports. 2. Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is literally bursting at the seams with attractions to please all ages. You can spend days exploring the many wonderful museums in the city, starting with the Carnegie Museum of Natural History, the Soldiers and Sailors Memorial Hall, a military museum which doubles as a concert hall, and the Carnegie Science Center. Art lovers will find themselves drawn to the Andy Warhol Museum, the Carnegie Museum of Art, and the very unusual Mattress Factory, which showcases contemporary art. Nature enthusiasts can stroll through the Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens, and hike the Three Rivers Heritage Trail or the Allegheny State Park. Children can have hours of fun at the Children's Museum of Pittsburgh, the Pittsburgh Zoo and PPG Aquarium, or the Sandcastle Water Park. Things to do in Pittsburgh. 3. Gettysburg. A decisive and bloody Civil War battle took place in Gettysburg in 1863, consequently the town is home to a treasure trove of military history. The Gettysburg National Military Park covers an enormous area that you can explore along 40 miles of scenic roads dotted with over 1,000 monuments and cannon. A fun way to see it all is to jump aboard a Gettysburg Battlefield bus tour. Once you've had your fill of Civil War history, you can visit the Lincoln Train Museum and the Gettysburg Railroad Station Museum. Families can take the children to see the Land of Little Horses, while foodies can taste regional food at several venues on a Savor Gettysburg food tour. 4. Lancaster. In Lancaster you will find historic buildings and monuments comfortably coexisting with a thriving modern art scene, good museums, and great shopping and dining. You can learn about the Amish culture and lifestyle on a tour of the Amish farm and house, or have fun joining a First Friday art tour to explore unique galleries, studios, boutiques, and restaurants. The whole family will enjoy the interactive displays at the North Museum of Nature and Science, and have fun at the nearby Dutch Wonderland amusement park, while foodies can get their fill at the Lancaster Central Market and taste all the offerings available from the food trucks at Prince Street Park. The surrounding greater Lancaster County offers a wide variety of outdoor activities. 5. Hershey. Hershey is proudly home to America's favorite chocolate, and thanks to the innovative ideas of chocolate magnate Milton S. Hershey, the town boasts a long string of attractions for visitors. Jump right in by visiting Hershey's Chocolate World, where the historic chocolate trolley will take you on a tour to see how their world-famous chocolate is made. You can make your own chocolate bar and taste as much as you like. 6. Jim Thorpe. Jim Thorpe is a quaint historical mining town located in the heart of the Pocono Mountains. Here you can step back in time as you walk down the main road and visit some of the town's beautifully preserved buildings and homesteads, such as the Asa Packer Mansion Museum, 1861. For a change of pace you can go whitewater rafting, canoeing, or kayaking with Jim Thorpe River Adventures, or take a scenic train ride through the Lehigh Gorge State Park. Hikers should try the strenuous but rewarding Glen Onico Falls Trail. 7. Harrisburg. You can start your visit to Harrisburg on a high note as you tour the impressive Pennsylvania State Capitol, an imposing building which dates back to 1902. Other gracious and historic buildings you can add to your itinerary include the John Harris Simon Cameron Mansion and the Fort Hunter Mansion and Park. Visitors can spend hours at the Whitaker Center for Science and Arts and have fun touring the Pennsylvania National Fire Museum and the planetarium at the State Museum of Pennsylvania, while culture vultures will not want to miss the Susquehanna Art Museum and the Harrisburg Symphony Orchestra. If you need some fresh air and exercise, you can head to Wildwood Park. 8. Allentown. Dating back to 1762, Allentown is one of the oldest cities in Pennsylvania and boasts a treasure trove of interesting museums and historic buildings that document its past. You can spend an interesting afternoon strolling through Old Allentown Historic Area before increasing your knowledge about everything old and interesting at one of several unique museums that include America on Wheels, Transport Museum, the Allied Air Force Museum, the Haynes Mill Museum, the Lehigh Valley Heritage Museum, the Mack Truck Museum, and the Liberty Bell Museum. For art lovers, there is the Allentown Art Museum, while science enthusiasts can visit the Da Vinci Science Center for hands-on fun and learning. You can visit 7 historical covered bridges on the Lehigh Valley Covered Bridge Tour or stay in town and visit some local breweries. 9. Bethlehem. Bethlehem started off as a tiny Moravian mission village in 1741 and has many well-preserved historical attractions where visitors can learn about its industrial past. The Visitor Center at Steel Stacks is a good place to start your tour of the Hoover Mason Trestle, one of the highlights of any visit to Bethlehem. You can take a self-guided stroll, or go on a walking tour, through the Colonial Industrial Quarter, visit the Burnside Plantation, and walk/hike the Riverside Heritage Trail. Art lovers should visit the Banana Factory, Gallery and Studios, for the first Friday monthly art event and attend a show at Steel Stacks. You can walk, jog, picnic, or fish at the Elix Mill Park, visit the Sands Casino, or tour some of the fascinating museums in neighboring Allentown. 10. Erie. Nestled on the southern shore of Lake Erie, the town of Erie is an ideal getaway destination for all ages. You can get a great overview of the city from the observation deck of the Port Erie Bicentennial Tower before you set off to explore the Erie Maritime Museum and the Firefighters Historical Museum or go on a tour of local historic buildings. Visitors can also visit the Erie Art Museum and the Erie Philharmonic Orchestra or catch a show at the Erie Playhouse. Outdoor enthusiasts can visit Presque Isle State Park for hiking, biking, and water sports in summer and a variety of snow sports in winter. Families will love the Erie Zoo and Botanical Gardens and the Experience Children's Museum. Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour of the 10 best places to visit in Pennsylvania. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it has inspired you to plan your next trip to Pennsylvania. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more exciting travel videos and let us know in the comments which of these 10 places in Pennsylvania you would like to visit the most. Until next time, happy travels!